Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to update your Udemy application on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that the device you are using is connected to a stable internet, whether you have Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are made sure of that, go to your Google Play Store or your App Store depending upon your device's operating system. Once you open up your Google Play Store or your App Store, go to the search bar at the top and type in Udemy. Look for the Udemy online video courses application and check if there is an update button available on the page. If update is available, you can simply tap on update and wait for the download and installation to complete. Once the update finishes, you can open up the app and enjoy the latest features. So that's how you can easily update your Udemy app. It takes just a few taps, but it keeps your learning experience smooth and secure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.